You're probably not using the full capabilities of the Cerbo GX. Today I'm going to help you deep dive into some of the advanced features of the Cerbo GX. My name is Benjamin. I'm an application engineer here at NAS Solar Electric, and I'm going to help you plug into solar. All right, we're gonna look at programming one of the relays on the Cerbo GX for temperature. Victron has the feature of being able to take a temperature input, either Bluetooth one or a hardwired temperature sensor, and using that to turn on and off a relay based on temperature. This is kind of critical in RVs where all the equipment might be installed in like the pass-through that kind of keeps that heat in. And when Victron equipment gets hot, it'll derate and overheat. So having a relay that can trigger an external fan to turn on, to bring in fresh air and kind of keep that pass-through cool is a great kind of advantage and is highly recommended. So we're gonna come here to the settings. We're looking at these settings on the computer through remote console. These settings can also be done on the touch panel. Kind of either way works. We're going to go turn on the temperature sensor. We've wired a hardwired Victron sensor to input 2. So we're going to go down to I/O. We're going to go to analog inputs, and we're going to find temperature input 2, and we're going to turn that on. And once we turn that on, if we go back to our device list, we're going to see that temperature sensor pop up. It usually says like battery temperature sensor and kind of number. And we're going to go into the setup and we're going to change it. It's not a battery, it's kind of just installed on the wall in the bay to kind of give us an average temperature. So we're going to select general. And then we're going to go back and we can go to device and we can label this with a unique name so that we kind of know what it is. So let's just do, for today, we're going to do inverter system. Okay, so now if we go back to the device list, we see inverter system has 77 degrees. We also have another another temperature sensor in the system inside, but we're going to use the inverter system temperature. We're going to go to the menu. We're going to go all the way down to settings. We're going to go down to relay. We're going to select, for this application we're using relay 2. So we're going to select that. And the options we have is manual and temperature. It needs to be set at temperature for these features to all work. So we're going to select temperature. And then we're going to go to temperature control rules. This is where we tell the Cerbo what temperature we want to turn on the relay and what temperature we want to turn off. And we can have multiple kind of conditions. So we're going to go to inverter system. That's the temperature one that we just enabled. We're going to select a relay and we're going to select relay 2. And we want condition 1. We're going to turn on, activate on temperature. And then this is where we can kind of set where we want it to turn on. So let's say we want it to turn on at 75 degrees. So we're going to select 75 degrees. And then let's say we want the relay to turn off when the bay gets to 70 degrees, so let's set that. Okay, now that we have this programmed, we can do other conditions, but we're going to start with just this one condition. And now that we have the thing programmed, it's going to turn on at 73 degrees and turn off at 70. And it will automatically do this. You're going to hear kind of fan turn on when that bay gets warm and then turn off when the bay gets cold. And
And we can have multiple temperature sensors kind of out, controlling that one relay. So we could program other temperatures here. All right, that's how you program a relay on the Cerbo GX to turn on and off based on temperature using a temperature sensor. I'm Benjamin. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Give us a call, chat with us on our website. We have a lot of articles in our Learning Center about Victron. We're here to help you plug into solar.